Welcome to the beautiful country walk community amongst nature, great parks and excellent schools. And today I have an amazing opportunity for you, Casa Azul. Let's go take a tour. Of course, I'm completely in love with this home because it's in my favorite color. It is completely remodeled, has over 2,500 square feet, 4-bedroom plus den, which could be converted to a 5th bedroom, 2 bathrooms, and everything is custom designed throughout. The lot is one of the largest lots in the area with a large pool, beautiful green space, and even a vegetable garden. This is your Florida lifestyle. Thank you for coming on a tour with us today. Reach out for more info. And don't forget, make it rain!